Yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, without not taking much of your time, I'll be showing you in this video how to center the taskbar icons just like it is on a Windows 11. So we all know Microsoft released the Windows 11 last month. So and this design got so many attentions from its users, which has been often been compared to Mac OS. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can center the taskbar icons on your Windows 10 just like in Windows 11. So what you have to do is to click on this taskbar. Just right click on the taskbar. Sorry, let me minimize this up. So when you right click on the taskbar, if this lock the taskbar is marked, you need to untick it. So after untick it, you come back here, click on tools bars, click on link. Now you will place your cursor here, hold it, then drag it here to the left. You understand? Then now you will leave it. Now you will need to come back again, drag this again to where you want it to be. Now we notice in the title of the video we want to center it just like in Windows 11. So now I will leave it here. Now to get rid of this link here, what you need to do is to right click on this link, click on show text, untick it, come back again, click on it, click on show title, untick it. Now you now right click here again, then lock taskbar. As you can see, everything is just the same thing as it is on Windows 11. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you have not subscribed before, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it, and will make me to do more important videos for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.